Okay, good morning and welcome once again. In today's video, I want to show how to cut long sleeve for our senator outfit. Now, most of us are having issues on the armhole area. Now, I want to clarify you people on this so that you get it once and for all. Now, I'm folding. Now, the normal way you fold into two first. You fold into two. Now, when you fold into two, you now fold again. Now your folding will be in line with your round sleeve measurements and your armhole curve on the upside of the shoulder side. So now I have determined my sleeve length by now. So my sleeve length I'm working with is 26. Now remember that this is for cuff length. Now for cuff length, now the measurement of the cuff or the cuffs is 3 inches. That's for grown up. 3 inches. For kids you reduce the measurements, but 3 inches is what I use for grown-ups cuff length. So you have to minus your cuff length measurement from the real sleeve length. So 26 is my sleeve length. 26 minus 3 minus 26, you are having 23. Now 23 is the answer I'm getting for the sleeve before I join the cuff to make it 26. Now remember that you will join the cuff to the body, to the sleeve, and also join the sleeve to the shoulder. So that means you have to add half inch for these joinings. So 23 plus 1 inch, making it 24. So you're now going to mark 24 inches on your fabric. You're now going to mark 24 inches on your fabric. Now when you mark 24 inches here, 24 inches there, you now draw your line. You draw your line this way. Now when you draw your line that way, you extend the line with a ruler. Now when you extend it with a ruler, you are now going to check if the curve you also desire. Okay, let me give you another info on this curve. Now there's nothing wrong by you marking your sleeve length now, your inner arm now. Now inner arm, I told you that something we call inner arm is sleeve length minus 5. That's for long sleeves, those that are tall. But for maybe average long sleeve, you can use minus 4, 4.5. So my client now, I'm using 5 for him. 5 is what I'm using for the inner arm. So from here, you mark 5 inches downwards. Now this measurement varies. You can use 4, 4.5 to make it. So when you mark 4.5 here, now you can decide to join with a straight line, with a bent curvy line here. You can also decide to make it in a suit hand pattern. Whichever pattern you decide to make, there's no problem. But you must make sure that the total of the distance from here to that point must be up to 13 inches. So if it's not 13 inches, you now have to increase your folding. I have to increase my folding. So to make it up 13 inches. So mine is around 12. So I'm increasing my folding. So I'm now going to mark it from here. Now when you draw your line, you measure before you cut. You measure it this way. You measure. So it must be up to 13 inches. So this one is getting 13.5. So I'm okay with this. So you now go to the down part of it. Now your round sleeve is 9. 9 by 2 is 4.5. Now that 4.5 is for the real round sleeve. You're going to add extra 1 inch for printing. 1 inch for printing. That's making it 5.5. You're not going to mark at 5.5. Now you have to add extra 1.2 for the sewing allowance that should be inside. Now you can see how I did this place. Now from here now, you join with a curve. It shouldn't be a straight line. You join with a curve to get the desired arm you wish. So this is the armhole curve I'm having. So this is how I cut my arm, my sleeve length. So when you watch this video, it will guide you more on how to cut the arm. Thank you for watching.